Here it is.
So smart.
It's a little PR box that we got all sent all together. So it came with cozies, it came with the scrunchies, it came with a straw. It even came with an alarm. So if you feel like you're in danger in any way, little covers for your straw.
Cute.
Look, see, she demonstrates it. So look, it comes out of the scrunchie.
Yeah, that's so
You
smart.
put it around your drink and you cover it. So now no one could put anything into your drink.
That's smart.
She was so that's Olivia. Look at that. So it came with all of this, the big box. But you can buy everything individually. You can buy the straw covers individually. You can buy the caps, the scrunchies. We thought this was so cute.
That is adorable. It's so smart.
The girls were making fun of me a little bit when I showed them this, but
you better be safe.
No, yeah, that's what I said. And like I said, it came with the alarm too, so I thought that was really cute of them, like for thinking girls and safety. And look, see, and it came with a cup too. It came with the cup.
That is adorable.
It literally came with everything you see here, the big pack of it, but they also have, like you could buy them individually. I thought this was like a genius idea. They even come with drink tester, so if you think something was put into your drink, you can test it right there. The girls are all like, what is this? But that's the scrunchie. She had it like right there. It goes right around your wrist. It pulls out, and you could put it right back in, so it's always on you. How cute is that?
How many does it come with?
I think it comes with 3 and like 3 different versions. It also comes with a cozy. It comes with, again, the testers. It comes with the straw protectors. It came with the straw. It came with the cup. This is a whole like little gift. This is like actually
That's
kind
cute.
of something you give to someone who's going off to college.
Yeah.
Like a farewell gift, if you will.
Mm-hmm.
So I thought this was really cute.